dear students, Standard 5, Subject Evs Science, Chapter 6, Every Drop Counts. In this lecture, today I am going to tell a story about some historical place, just like step where river, lake, okay? Then we will discuss about some question, how to do that, how to get that, how to historical place create, how to step well create. Okay. So now your textbook open page number 51. Long, long ago. This is a picture of Great Cyrus. Sir means a lake. Lake means small talab. King Kersi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. All around the lake there are guards with steps leading to the water, decorated verandas, large halls, rooms, and much more. People came here to celebrate festivals and for programs of music and dance. Children came to study in the school on the Ghat. The talab belonged to everyone and everyone took care to keep it clean. Look at, you can see this picture here, lots of large room and your school and here you can see your board, lots of students who came here for study and then everyone took care to keep it clean. Okay? So you can see here page number 51. Sometime you want to go outside, for example, birthday you celebrate for Mount Abu, Goa, okay? Rankiwa, Ahmedabad. Okay? So here, next, rainwater collected in this lake spread over many miles. It was made in such a way that when the lake was full, the extra water flowed into another lake at a lower level. When that too filled up, the extra water flowed into the next lake. This way all 9 lakes filled up. This rainwater could be used throughout the year. Today, Glaciers is no more in use. Many new buildings and colonies have come up in between those mine lakes. Now the water does not get collected in these lakes. Rainwater just flows away and is wasted. You know that lake means small talab, and then lots of small lakes is fill up, then big kind of lakes, and that water is a river of big kind of river, just for example Narmada, Ganga, Yamuna. Okay? And next, through the eyes of Al-Biruni, this is a Persian name. More than 1,000 years ago, a traveler came to India. His name was Al-Biruni. You know that if you want to read your history, so in this lots of who came in India. Jagir, time of Jagir, at that time Sir Thomas More and Portuguese come, 1498, Vasco da Gama, from Vasco da Gama. Then Albuquerque, okay? Lots of people who come India to visit. So here one person, The place that he came from is now called Uzbekistan. Is the name Pakistan, India, America, that type of name. Okay? Al-Biruni carefully observed and noted down the details of all that he saw. He wrote especially about those things that he found very different from his own country. Here is a part of what he wrote about the pounds of that time. The people here are very skilled at making pounds. My countrymen would be surprised to see them. They pile up huge rocks and join them with iron rods to build a chabutra, a raised platform. All around the lake, between these, there are rows of long staircases going up and down. The steps for going up and coming down are separate, so there is less crowding. You know that if you don't understand this type of lake, so sometime you visit a type of small lake, just like Kankaria, okay? And here you can see sometime the waves of outside, so small lake. Khan Sarovar, yes. Bindu Sarovar, you can see sometime. Today, when we study history, we can learn a lot about those days from the writings of Al-Biruni. His stamps come out in 1973, and Portuguese from Vasco da Gama, who came in India 1498. Then drop by drop. Besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan. Jaisalmer is a town name in Rajasthan city. Get very little rainfall. Here it rains for only a few days in the entire year, sometimes not even that much. The rivers here do not have water all around the year, and yet most of the villages in these areas did not have a shortage of water. Here Kutch in Gujarat city, you know that Kutch, there is that type of place. Rain is sometimes come, sometimes is not come. Mostly this areas did not have a storage of water. Kutch. Here Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. People knew that every drop of water was precious. Lakes and jardins were made to collect water. Water was everyone's need. You know that. Water is people first necessary, water and food. Okay? 1,000 years ago, lots of years ago, people moved a place to another place for search food and water. So you know that how important food and water. Okay? Now it's a development country, so that's why we can easily water and food. But lots of years ago, earliest people who moved place to another place for food and water. One and all came together in this work, be it a businessman or a laborer. Some water from the lakes soaked into the ground and reached the wells and bowed and step well. The soil of the area also became wet and fertile. Every house had a system to collect the rainwater. Look at the picture on your right. How do you think the rainwater that falls on the roof will reach the underground tank through the well? You can see this, it's a step well. In Patan city, Rankiva, step well, Rankiva. So every, look at it, then I will give you little information, step well, about step well. Have you ever seen a step well? You know that, Rankiva, okay, Patan city. attending historical place, and sometimes you see 100 rupees not. So draw for rank that 100 rupees. Look at the picture. Can you imagine by looking at the picture that the steps go down several stories deep? Instead of draining the water out from the well, the people could go down the steps and reach the water. That is why they are called step wells. Long ago, people used to make long journeys with their caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Okay? Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. Today, I want to give little information about step well. So, you sometimes see Ranki step well. Ranki built Udaymati, and Udaymati husband name Bhimdev. Udaymati big kind of dreams, step well for thirsty people, and you know that people used to make journey with their caravans of animals and foods. People felt it was things to give water to thirsty travelers. So that's why Udaymati built a Rankiva. Then Himdev has two wives, Udaymati and Chola Devi. In Gujarati writer Chola Devi name wrote Bakula Devi. Okay, so here Udaymati, Bhimdev, then Udaymati and Bhimdev's son Karnadev Solanki, and then Karnadev Solanki, then Siddharth Jaising, then Kumarpur, Ajaypur, Mudraj 2, Bhimdev 2, and Dribhuvan part warriors Vishaldev Waghela. Then New Era Waghela. Okay? Then at that time Ahmedabad Rani Rudadev, Queen of Rudadev. The step well Rudadev, Adalaj. So lots of historical place and lots of step well in this Gujarat city. You know that first door of stepwell, so we call Nanda to Bhadra, Jaya, Vijaya. That type of stepwell name. Nanda, Bhadra, Jaya, and Vijaya. Okay. Okay. Cause related to water, this point we will discuss about in our next lecture. Thank you.